Technician Class Question Pool. Questions and correct answers only. July 1st, 2018 to June 30th, 2022. By K8TB. Last edited August 12, 2018. Subelement T8, Modulation Modes, Amateur Satellite Operation, Operating Activities, Non-Voice and Digital Communications, for exam questions, for groups. Which of the following is a form of amplitude modulation? Answer, single sideband. What type of modulation is most commonly used for VHF packet radio transmissions? Answer, FM. Which type of voice mode is most often used for long-distance, weak signal, contacts on the VHF and UHF bands? Answer, SSB. Which type of modulation is most commonly used for VHF and UHF voice repeaters? Answer, FM. Which of the following types of emission has the narrowest bandwidth? Answer, CW. Which sideband is normally used for 10-meter HF, VHF, and UHF single sideband communications? Answer, upper sideband. What is an advantage of single sideband, SSB, over FM for voice transmissions? Answer, SSB signals have narrower bandwidth. What is the approximate bandwidth of a single sideband, SSB, voice signal? Answer, 3 kHz. What is the approximate bandwidth of a VHF repeater, FM phone signal? Answer, between 10 and 15 kHz. What is the typical bandwidth of analog fast-scan TV transmissions on the 70 cm band? Answer, about 6 MHz. What is the approximate maximum bandwidth required to transmit a CW signal? Answer, 150 Hz. What telemetry information is typically transmitted by satellite beacons? Answer, health and status of the satellite. What is the impact of using too much effective radiated power on a satellite uplink? Answer, blocking access by other users. Which of the following are provided by satellite tracking programs? Answer, all of these choices are correct. Maps showing the real-time position of the satellite track over the Earth. The time, azimuth, and elevation of the start, maximum altitude, and end of a past the apparent frequency of the satellite transmission, including effects of Doppler shift. What mode of transmission is commonly used by amateur radio satellites? Answer, all of these choices are correct. SSB, FM, CW/data. What is a satellite beacon? Answer, a transmission from a satellite that contains status information. Which of the following are inputs to a satellite tracking program? Answer, the Keplerian elements. With regard to satellite communications, what is Doppler shift? Answer, an observed change in signal frequency caused by relative motion between the satellite and the Earth station. What is meant by the statement that a satellite is operating in mode U/V? Answer, the satellite uplink is in the 70 cm band and the downlink is in the 2-meter band. What causes spin fading of satellite signals? Answer, rotation of the satellite and its antennas. What do the initials LEO tell you about an amateur satellite? Answer, the satellite is in a low Earth orbit. Who may receive telemetry from a space station? Answer, anyone who can receive the telemetry signal. Which of the following is a good way to judge whether your uplink power is neither too low nor too high? Answer, your signal strength on the downlink should be about the same as the beacon. Which of the following methods is used to locate sources of noise interference or jamming? Answer, radio direction finding. Which of these items would be useful for a hidden transmitter hunt? Answer, a directional antenna. What operating activity involves contacting as many stations as possible during a specified period? Answer, contesting. Which of the following is good procedure when contacting another station in a radio contest? Answer, send only the minimum information needed for proper identification and the contest exchange. What is a grid locator? Answer, a letter number designator assigned to a geographic location. How is access to some IRLP nodes accomplished? Answer, by using DTMF signals. What is meant by Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP, as used in amateur radio? Answer, a method of delivering voice communications over the Internet using digital techniques. What is the Internet Radio Linking Project, IRLP? Answer, a technique to connect amateur radio systems, such as repeaters, via the Internet using Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP. How might you obtain a list of active nodes that use VoIP? Answer, all of these choices are correct. By subscribing to an online service. From online repeater lists maintained by the local repeater frequency coordinator. From a repeater directory. What must be done before you may use the Echo Link system to communicate using a repeater? Answer: you must register your call sign and provide proof of license. What name is given to an amateur radio station that is used to connect other amateur stations to the internet? Answer: a gateway. Which of the following is a digital communications mode? Answer: all of these choices are correct. Packet radio. IEEE 802.11. JT65. What does the term APRS mean? Answer: automatic packet reporting system. Which of the following devices is used to provide data to the transmitter when sending automatic position reports from a mobile amateur radio station? Answer: a global positioning system receiver. What type of transmission is indicated by the term NTSC? Answer: an analog, fast-scan color TV signal. Which of the following is an application of APRS, automatic packet reporting system? Answer: providing real-time tactical digital communications in conjunction with a map showing the locations of stations. What does the abbreviation PSK mean? Answer: phase shift keying. Which of the following best describes DMR, digital mobile radio? Answer: a technique for time multiplexing two digital voice signals on a single 12.5 kHz repeater channel. Which of the following may be included in packet transmissions? Answer: all of these choices are correct. A checksum that permits error detection. A header that contains the call sign of the station to which the information is being sent. Automatic repeat request in case of error. What code is used when sending CW in the amateur bands? Answer: International Morse. Which of the following operating activities is supported by digital mode software in the WSJD suite? Answer: all of these choices are correct. Moon bounce or Earth moon Earth. Weak signal propagation beacons. Meteor scatter. What is an ARQ transmission system? Answer: a digital scheme whereby the receiving station detects errors and sends a request to the sending station to retransmit the information. Which of the following best describes broadband Hamnet, TM, also referred to as a high-speed multimedia network? Answer: an amateur radio-based data network using commercial Wi-Fi gear with modified firmware. What is FT8? Answer: a digital mode capable of operating in low signal-to-noise conditions that transmits on 15-second intervals. What is an electronic keyer? Answer: a device that assists in manual sending of Morse code. This is the end of the Subelement 8 of the Technician Question Pool.